The great broadband build is underway across the country. Here in the Northeast, communities are racing to close the digital divide, especially in rural and remote areas. Realizing the promise of broadband connectivity requires strong partnerships to deploy built-to-last fiber networks. Sertex is a trusted partner to take plans from design to reality. We work with municipalities, public power utilities, telecommunication companies, and fiber internet service providers throughout our region. As a fiber-to-the-home top 100 company, we have the experience, the resources, and the resolve to handle all aspects of network deployments. Our end-to-end services streamline fiber connectivity, from planning through construction to activation, service delivery, and ongoing operations. Fiber network design begins with engineered plans using custom layout tools, GIS data, and expert analysis. High-level designs are brought to ground level with detail incorporating aerial and underground pathways, route selections, architectural components, and excess capacity for future needs. We also handle the submittal and tracking of all third-party pole licensing and right-of-way applications. Sertex has the field employees, supervision, equipment, and expertise to construct fiber network cable plant, including backbone feeder and distribution fiber cables. Our aerial and underground construction crews have the experience and resolve to work in remote areas, rugged terrain, and all-season weather. Expert fiber optic splicing and testing with certified technicians ensures optimal network performance. Our mobile splicing labs and advanced testing equipment empower teams to troubleshoot and resolve issues quickly and efficiently. To connect properties to the backbone, our skilled technicians install fiber optic drops from the multi-port service terminals to service locations with minimal impact on individual properties. Our extensive team of trained technicians will install and activate network connectivity, including in-home equipment, software, testing, and homeowner education. Our proprietary work order system documents information critical to customer relations, service changes, and service interruptions and repair using mobile data entry. As a fiber network operator, we can partner to provide dedicated network maintenance and emergency restoration services 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. At Sertex, safety is job one. All our technicians participate in monthly and annual safety training programs. Over the last 3 decades, Sertex has constructed thousands of miles of fiber networks, from the Berkshires to the ocean's edge. In the hill towns of Massachusetts, our crews went above and beyond to connect more than 12,000 homes to fiber internet during the pandemic. On remote Block Island, we recently completed construction of Rhode Island's first municipally owned fiber-to-the-home network, 10 miles off the New England coast. The Broadband BI network includes 53 miles of fiber optic cable plant, 1,800 property connections, and 62 miles of underground drops constructed over 24 months. Don't be left behind in the great broadband expansion. Communities with reliable, affordable fiber internet will thrive well into the digital age. Trust Sertex to provide expertise, overcome challenges, and connect you to the fiber future. We are driven to do hard work, and we are here to help.